So sweet. Two old ladies came after 14 minutes. It was so sweet. And they say we're beautiful, of course.
Sorry, guys.
And guys, you're the first person to come and comment this, but not for. And guys, I'm eating Nutella. Really Christmas.
Bro, I'm gonna get some extra paper because my nose is running. I'm crazy. It's running with its two legs. My nose is running with its two legs. Somebody come and let's see if they stare.
He stared.
He didn't. That's exactly what he did, y'all. He did a full 360 turn in his head.
I'm ready.
He didn't stare.
That's the first person that did not stare.
Second.
Second. Oh, kids, come here, kids.
This dude stared like crazy. He like.
Yo, you see that kid back there?
There's a big room inside the basketball court. He stared real good at me. He like this. Oh my
And they
god.
maximum stare. They're like,
It
the whole way they walk, they're like crazy.
Like that's just weird. Who does that?
Like, what you trying to do? Steal it? Like, if I left this here for 2 seconds and looked over there, if I was like, it's gone. It's gonna be gone.
Who's that staring?
I mean, you could see where their eyes located, huh? Or the basketball. Now my eyes are located on the basketball.
Guys, I still have some Nutella left.
I really
what I
recommend
don't like,
Nutella. Y'all, I recommend Nutella.
what I don't like about the Nutella is that they don't have like. You see how right here is so long, doesn't go through. The Nutella side, it has somewhere that goes through. I don't. They just make it long.
Exactly.
If I
just
created
like the
Nutella, I was
sticks.
gonna make it long. Yeah. Or I think why they made it short, so they think the people are already be done with the sticks before they're done with the Nutella.
Yeah, but now that people
Some parents
can
don't
do
like
the
it.
Nutella.
I think some people don't like that. My nails just got cut and they grow back fast, but this one's still not growing. And then mine
Yeah,
is
I really
growing.
recommend Nutella as a snack. It's really good, y'all. Like, if you haven't tried Nutella yet, what
Okay, do
are
that
you
to your
doing with
camera.
life? Oh, sorry. What are you doing with
Some
life?
people they don't know what Nutella is, but some people. I want to buy the big Nutella over there.
Yeah.
In a Walmart.
We'll take a big jar of Nutella.
It's gonna be all for me. I just gonna be every day. Grab some little scoop of Nutella. Yummy Nutella jar.
Exactly. We go to school.
I'll even break up. She look
She look.
little stalker.
Why do you wear a book bag and the fanny pack at the same time? It does not look right. What time is it?
Now you check.
Okay.
I just started this video. It's only been 4 minutes. Guys,
Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll make the second one. Bye, y'all. For
Nutella's amazing.
You
You have to try it if you haven't.
subscribe if you like, and post notification.
If you just come,
Comment below what you thought about it.
if you guys really want Nutella, come here. Turn this for 175. She looked again. She looked again. Stop looking at me, stalker.
343.
It's like just 335. This taking so long.
I'm supposed to go in the gym just to lay down.
I'm gonna go up there and walk around.
Okay.
Because Well, bye, guys. I'm gonna make a video of this. Well, bye, guys. See you next time. Peace.